Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Nepali with Versa. This is me, Versa Basnet, your Nepali language tutor. Today, I'm back with a new lesson and the lesson is on imperative sentences. Imperative sentences or polite sentences are simply a simple sentence that we use when we want other people to do something for us. That means if you want to ask someone to bring a cup of tea for you and you want to say, please give me a cup of tea. So please give me a cup of tea. Here is an imperative sentence or polite commands. So today I'm going to teach you such kind of sentences in both forms. One is high form and the another one is mid form. We use high form for our elders and mid form for our friends, colleagues, siblings and someone who is younger than us. So without any delay, let's learn imperative sentences in Nepali language. There are two ways to say imperative sentence for mid form. For high form is always adding nus with the verb, or you can also add nos. Khanus or khannos. But for mid form, you might have noticed we are using cow for please eat, parkha for please wait. Now the difference is because of the different types of verb. Let me explain you that now. Here in this chart you can see three different kinds of verb. Two-letter verb, please mind it is two-letter verbs, not the two-syllable verbs. Two-letter verbs, half-letter verbs and unu verbs. Now, for two-letter verbs and unu verbs, whenever you are making imperative sentence for mid form, please add u sound, the longer u sound. So, khanu here is two-letter verb. So, for please eat in the mid form, it becomes khau. Similarly, pakaunu is unu verb. So, here you have to use u again for mid form imperative sentence. Pakau. Now, let's see the second kind of the verb, half-letter verbs. Now, whenever you are changing half-letter verbs into imperative form, please add verb plus a sound. So here, parkhanu, which means to wait, is a half-letter verb. That's why instead of adding u with the verb, we have added a. So, please wait becomes parkha, no parkhu, parkha. You can follow the same rule for the rest of other verbs. So please be very mindful about these different kinds of verb. For two-letter verbs and unu verbs, add u sound. For half-letter verbs, add a sound for mid-form imperative sentence. Let's start with the first sentence. Please eat food. For high form is khana khanos. Khana khanos. For mid form, it is khana khao. Khana khao. So khanus for high form, khao for mid form. Let's move on to the next sentence. Chia khanus. Now you might be confused. Why is chia khanus for please drink tea? Why not chia piunus? Dear student, in spoken Nepali, you can say chia khanus, but grammatically, chia piunus is the correct one. So don't worry, you can use either one in your daily life. Chia khanus, chia piunus. Please drink tea. Now, the mid form imperative sentence for this is chia khao or chia piu. Now, the next sentence is Bhitra aunus. Bhitra aunus. It means please come inside. Bhitra aunus. Now, the mid form imperative sentence is Bhitra au. Bhitra au. Bhitra au. Now, the next sentence is please go outside. Bahira janus. Bahira janus. Now the mid form imperative sentence is Bahira jao. Bahira jao. Please go outside. Moving on to the next. Please make tea. Chia pakaunus. Chia pakaunus. Chia pakau. Chia pakau. Please make tea. Now if you want to say someone, please be quiet, you can say chup lagnos. Chup lagnos. And for your siblings or someone who is younger than you, you can say chup laga. Chup laga. Please be quiet. Now let's learn how to say please come here. Yaha aunos. Yaha aunos. Or for mid form, you can say yaha au. Yaha au. Now the next sentence is please go there. Tyaha janus. Tyaha janus. Mid form is tyaha jao. Tyaha jao. Let's learn how to say please clean the house. Ghar safa garnos. Now same sentence for mid form is ghar safa gara. Ghar safa gara. Now dear student, here garnu is a half letter verb. That's why for imperative sentence in mid form we have added a sound. Ghar safa gara. Now the next sentence is please do it quickly. Chito chito garnos. Chito chito garnos. Now mid form is chito chito gara. Chito chito gara. Please show me the way. Malai bato dekhaunus. Malai bato dekhaunus. Now the mid form imperative sentence is Malai bato dekhau. Malai bato dekhau. Now here dekhaunu is unu verb, so that's why we have added verb plus u to change the verb into imperative form. Bato dekhau. Now the next sentence is please turn on or switch on the light. Batti balnos. Batti balnos. Now the mid form is batti bala. Batti bala. Now let's learn how to say please turn off the light. Batti nibhaunus. Batti nibhaunus. And its mid form is batti nibhau. Batti nibhau. Please go to the bed. Sutna janus. Sutna janus. For mid form, sutna jao. Sutna jao. Please wake up or get up fast. Chito chito utnus. Chito chito utnus. And the mid form is chito chito utha. Chito chito utha. Chito chito utha. Or you can also say chado utnus. Instead of chito chito, you can also say chado. Chado utnus. And for mid form, chado utha. Chado utha. So here in this sentence, you can either use chito chito utnus or chado utnus. Now the next sentence is, please bring me a glass of water. मेरो लागि एक गिलास पानी ल्याउनुस्. Glass in Nepali is gilas. मेरो लागि एक गिलास पानी ल्याउनुस्. मेरो लागि एक गिलास पानी ल्याउनुस्. And the mid form is मेरो लागि एक गिलास पानी ल्याऊ. मेरो लागि एक गिलास पानी ल्याऊ. Now very important sentence to tell to kids when they touch your things. Please don't touch my things. मेरो सामान नचलाउनुस्. मेरो सामान नचलाउनुस् मेरो सामान नचलाउनुस् and its mid form is मेरो सामान नचलाऊ मेरो सामान नचलाऊ मेरो सामान नचलाऊ Now let's learn how to say please don't rush हतार नगर्नुस् हतार नगर्नुस् and the mid form is हतार नगर हतार नगर Now we have transitioned our sentences from positive to negative. So when you want to make negative imperative sentence, you just have to add na in front of the verb. Please don't talk while eating. खाना खाँदा कुरा नगर्नुस् खाना खाँदा कुरा नगर्नुस् खाना खाँदा कुरा नगर्नुस् Mid form is खाना खाँदा कुरा नगर खाना खाँदा कुरा नगर खाना खाँदा कुरा नगर Please don't sit there त्यहाँ नबस्नुस् त्यहाँ नबस्नुस् Mid form is त्यहाँ नबस त्यहाँ नबस With this, we have completed today's lesson on imperative sentences. I hope now you are able to say imperative sentences or polite commands in both the forms, high forms and mid forms. If you have any question, please leave the comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. And I'll be back with similar such lesson. Before signing out from today's lesson, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe it. And if you like our lesson, please hit the like button. Thank you everyone. See you in the next lesson. Namaste. Bye bye.